I just made $2,000 on a trade within a few minutes, and it's possible for you as well. We are here to make generational wealth, and the meme coins is the right stop. I'm gonna talk a little bit about how to get started, right? To get started, you guys want to buy Solana through any exchange, which is Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance. We always say that. Next, you want to download Phantom, right? Get the extension on your computer, and boom, you load Sol into that Phantom wallet, and then you import into your wallet manager right here, import, and you're literally ready to trade. It's that easy, boys. Okay, now what I really want to talk about today is how to manage your emotions when trading meme coins and specific tips and tricks. So it's gonna be a little bit of a raw video, and I just really want to talk to you guys about like my journey and how that's been going. I really do want to start a challenge account, which I'm going to start very soon. I'm most likely gonna start my challenge probably like next week or beginning of July. Yeah, so I'm currently just helping out with the coin over here, which is called Salary, right? It's sitting at 730k. Now this kind of reminds me of House Coin that went over 100 mil. I've also bought some myself. I have a lot, and I literally just bought 30 more Sol like earlier today. I think this coin does have potential. And how do I build this conviction, you guys might ask? It's just like, okay, like you have a coin, how do you know that this coin will go up and not just go to zero? Now, number one, when you guys are looking at any coin, for example, name everything, I just made 15 Sol, how do you know that this is reliable? Now you want to see first if the meme is good. Now, can the meme actually be memeable, and can people actually get behind it? So can the mind share be good? For example, we're gonna go on their X, right? As you see that when I first saw this coin, it's just like, okay, it's just Tucker Carlson's face. Now what's really good about this coin is just like we see that these views are insane. Now I really do talk about views on Twitter, which is really important, so you guys must see that if the views are good and are big accounts talking about it as well, there's good wallets in, right? So those are the three really key things that I look at when I'm getting into a coin. Yes, I did round trip probably like up till 40 Sol, but it's all good, right? We still made 15 Sol, and this was out less than 24 hours ago, right? $2,000. Imagine you're making that every day for the next 30 days even. That's like 60k. Now obviously not every day is going to be as good as this, right? There's going to be some downfall, there's going to be some tribulations that you guys are gonna have to face, and that's okay, because you guys want to make sure that you guys are journaling as well, right? Without like obviously like journaling, it's gonna be hard getting anywhere, because journaling, you get to really look at your mistakes and what's going wrong with your trades, right? So make sure that you guys are journaling. Now there's coins running every day. 2 hours ago there's coin yourself at 3 million. There's always volume. What I really want to preach is that you guys want to look at volume. Volume is important when trading meme coins. It's because like you get to see how much buyers there are essentially, right? So if you guys want to even filter in volume, right, you want to do minimum or maximum volume, and you want to focus just on high volume coins, that's possible as well. Now why I look at volume is because it's important to see if coins are just scam or not, right? Like volume 11k but it's at 150k, like come on, like that's flat out scam. Right here 16 million 1 mil volume, you can just totally tell out which one's scam and which one's not. Now you can see that the volume is more than the market cap, which is very important. Having more volume than the market cap allows you to tell that how many people are actually buying into this coin. Is it worth getting into this coin, and are good buyers and good whales really getting in? Now world's first ever meme coin, this has 2 million volume, but it's at 200k, right? The ratio is not there. 2 mil volume but 300k market cap, that makes no sense. So that does indicate that this might be a bundle, right? And there are only 900 holders with that much volume. Okay, then it's probably being market make. In that sense, it's just like people are controlling the chart and trying to bring it upwards. Now as I always say, you guys want to be always looking at graduated pair to find. Now the next thing I want to talk about is always watch the about to graduate. Now I have a filter set up for 12,000 by market cap minimum, right? And by age 8 minutes. Now like it allows me to see good volume coins, or good coins that are coming out and that are freshly new. Now you want to really get into coins that are fresh. In a sense, if you're trying to scalp and stuff, like it's good to like look at coins that are new, because those have the most volume. Now with conviction plays, it's fine because like coins can be out for like a month even, right? But that's the thing, like if you have conviction in a coin and the team is good, the holders are good, the wallets are good, right? The volume is good, like that all matters when you're getting into a coin. Now with Salary, I really want to point out is that like it has the mind share, and a lot of people are using that hashtag on Twitter as well, and good wallets are also getting in. Right now it's a bit slow, it's 10 p.m. and recently Sol has been coming down because of like all of this Trump and war and stuff, so we are seeing some slow movement in the market, but that's okay. There are still good runners. 3 million runner right there. Now I really want to talk about this coin called Gore that ran yesterday to like, it's literally 40 mil within like a day, which is insane to me. Holy shit, let me take off all of these trades. Now this coin ran to 40 million in one day. Look, one day, and you could have caught this, you could have been in this coin. Now let's look at Twitter. How is this connected? Now as I'm always mentioning to you guys that you guys should be looking on Twitter, right? Getting the most information as you can. Now Toli, he's one of the co-founder of Solana Labs, right? He is a big influence in the space. As we say, people that have good influence are very important. Now he has a high impact on Solana itself. Now anything that he tweets tweets gets tokenized. Okay, you guys gotta remember that. People that tweet something, right? That's why you gotta also have that Twitter monitor that we have in Serenity as well. We also have a Serenity monitor. I'll be linked that down below for you guys to join. Now, you guys should be always looking at Twitter, looking at influencers that can potentially make you money on meme coins. Yes, it kind of might sound stupid in the beginning. It's just like, what? These influencers can make you money? But yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. Like, these guys can actually make you money. They talk about an issue, right? And they say totally responds why it doesn't matter what people call Solana in China as long as they're using the same ledger. Two forks, one is called Solana, has a ticker Sol, and has a Solana logos, right? That's obviously Solana. One is called Gorbagna, has the ticker Gore, and has Oscar the Grouch PNG as a logo, exactly matching this one. Now, right when this tweet came out, this coin came out, and the one with the most volume, the one with the most holders, the highest market cap is the one that's gonna run. There was some FUD early on in the beginning, but that wasn't long until it skyrocketed, until more people started just talking about it, right? And this could potentially go higher, who knows? But obviously people took their profits, and you guys want to always maintain consistency on that Twitter monitor. It's important because you guys are able to tell which memes are coming out every second and every minute. So I covered the filters for you guys, I covered the volume, I talked about holders, I talked about how Twitter has a very good influence on meme coins and how you guys should be always using that platform to your advantage. And that monitor, on that monitor we literally have live updates. So like if you guys go on the CT tracker, we have live updates of every new tweet that comes out, and it literally gets created on the new pair. It's a pretty useful tool, and I suggest you guys should also use it. Now let's talk about a little bit of my strategy and how I go about to trade these meme coins. Now what I really want to discuss is that, like, you guys want to see if a good floor is maintaining. This floor has been holding for around, it held for like 14 hours before skyrocketing to 900k. I didn't take my profits, which is very stupid, right? I should have took P for sure, like above here, but obviously like I've seen coins before that I've round tripped a lot of profits, so I'm still happy with 15 Sol, right? I could have made 30-40 Sol, but it's all good. First of all, for this specific one, you want to see virality of the meme. You want to see if people are actually holding a solid floor, like not nuking to zero. I was sleeping on this bag because I had the level of conviction that this meme is popular, it has views, and sooner or later people should catch on to it, and people did. My thesis was obviously like incorrect. I thought this would go past 1 mil easily, but not everything goes into your favor in meme coins. You want to manage your risk and you want to manage your profits as well. So risk management is important. I really want to discuss about risk management and emotional management, so the psychological of meme coins. Now managing risk is important, and I get a lot of questions, and the questions that I really get about meme coins is just like, I sell too early. Now if you're selling too early, let's just say you got into this coin at 50k. Now for example, you sold at 200 and it went to 800, right? Now just like, how do you solve this issue? It's just like, I'm selling too early when I could be making much more profits. Now what you guys can do, if you guys have a low portfolio, you guys should be leaving a very small moon bag. Now for example, let's just say you put 2 Sol at 50k, right? And now for 50k to 200k, that's a 4x obviously. Now let's just say you're up 8 Sol. Now you're gonna take majority of your profits, so sell 75% and leave 25% in. That won't even hurt your bag. You're already in profits, and you can hold the rest to whatever your other TPs might be, your target price, right? Or wherever your next take profit might be. Now you guys really want to adjust to the strategy because it really helped me a lot in the beginning when I had low Sol. Like now it's different for me because I just hold things and I just round trip it, but I still take good profits. Like 15 Sol is still a lot for me, so it doesn't matter. So at the end of the day, it's always good to have a good risk management in place and to not put more than what you can risk. You know what I mean? Now what I really want to discuss is emotional management, and this applies to me as well. We are literally emotional beings. We are gonna make dumb decisions, and we're gonna make mistakes, and we're gonna have problems when we're trading. Of course, you know, that's built into us, but the thing is just like, can you manage around it? Because like obviously we're directly emotionally tied with money. So like that's the factor. It's just like, why am I selling early? I'm round tripping all my profits, I'm not taking enough profits, yada yada. Now how to fix that issue is just like, make sure you guys have a clear-cut plan in place. Now this strategy is basically just like managing your emotions. Some might even say that emotions play like a big role in your trading, like even up to like 50-60% of your trading is just all emotional. And that's true. It's because like we're kind of greedy in a sense as well. It's just that we want more profits. It's like, I need more profits. Now how to work your way around that, obviously I've said before. Journal. Always be disciplined with your strategy. Discipline plays a key role when you're trading, because since no one is there to check for you, it's just like, bro, you're doing something wrong. This is why I'm telling you guys that you guys should keep yourself in check. Like, this is your career, this is your business, this is your job. If you really want to make it in trading, you have to take it very seriously, and managing your emotions is one big factor that has improved my trading significantly. Like when I mean improved, yes, I've turned literally $300 to 300k in 1 month just off being disciplined with my emotions. Now on a random Thursday I'm making like 2-3k, and that's why. It's because I manage my emotions and my discipline to the point where if I want to make X amount, I will make that. So always believe in yourself and always manage your emotions. It's important. I'm always trading in Serenity. We have daily VCs. I'll be linking that below, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.